What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I am now officially back on editing on the computer, which I feel like is so good because the last several vlogs I've been using my phone for and just like really struggling with that. Just watch the last couple vlogs. You guys will understand and know everything if you haven't already. I'm not going to get into it, but I do feel like I need to explain myself because I got a hate comment on the last video, which I feel like the last video was literally me letting you guys know that like I'm back, but whatever. I'm officially ready to dive headfirst into putting the best efforts that I possibly can with my content. And thus I wanted to start off with a bang with some fall outfit inspiration. In today's video, I decided to showcase you guys some different pieces that I have purchased over the last like several months, several weeks. I thought that for some fall/winter holidays are coming up kind of vibes, just giving you guys inspiration overall. So yes, I've been doing some shopping, but like I always say, this is not to encourage you guys to go out and buy stuff. This is to encourage you guys to pick out what you already own and get some inspiration from it for the season change. Without further ado, I will stop rambling and shout out to that hater. You didn't motivate me, you didn't help me do anything, you just took the time to leave a comment that I wound up ultimately deleting anyway. You suck. But to all of my little favorite subscribers, you were in for a treat today because I really took the time to create this video for you. So hope you guys enjoy. If you like my fashion videos, give this a thumbs up. And without further ado, let's get into it. Outfit number one, I decided to start off kind of simpler and a lot more realistic, I feel like, for average people such as I. Yeah, it still has certain elements that relate to the season and let you know that it is fall time when you wear it, which I like. And brown corduroy type like flares. I like how they have a little cutout too, so you could wear it with like a bootie or a heel as well. I just paired it with like this black baby tee that actually, I don't know if you guys can see it, I can't really zoom in that close without it being blurry, but it has a skeleton on it. So I feel like overall this fit, although is pretty easy to combine together, definitely does have the elements that make it a fall vibe. To spice it up a little bit more, I decided to add in my chunky necklace, which I do think personally jewelry can really spice up an outfit that might overall be classified as simple. Just gives another layer to it. Realistically speaking, the older I get, the more overstimulated I become. Although I love layered clothing, I feel like it is perfect for fall, like in general, which I do have some pieces in here that I will show you guys how to layer, but realistically speaking, I am not wearing that on the day-to-day. This is something that I would wear, and I honestly have already worn this. Alright, here is outfit number two, and I personally am like in love with this fit. I saw a girl on TikTok wearing this little skirt, and she's kind of wearing it like over a sweater like this with some boots, and I was like, I have to go on her Amazon storefront and buy this because this exact vibe, I would say, is like my personal style to a T. It kind of goes along with what I was saying with a lot of the layers. I feel like this is a good way to incorporate layers, incorporate different textures, all of which scream fall, as you guys can clearly see. And you got a little bit of like a jacket. I also, it's crazy, I threw my jean jacket over top of this when we went out the other day for dinner because we were sitting outside. But I wasn't cold at all. I felt like it was a perfect amount of layer. I think tall boots like this are perfect. You guys will also see me wear a black pair. I don't think you personally need that many. You can just have one to pick from, but make sure it is in like a shade where overall you can combine them with a lot of different colors, fall colors, I should say. Moving right on over to look number three. I was on the hunt for like a sweater dress that wasn't like too itchy. I love the color of this too. You can style it so many different ways with so many different other pieces. Honestly, I feel like this is a perfect dress for Thanksgiving because you can eat so much and not have to worry about it with like pants or anything like that. As far as how I would wear it, I kind of showed two different like things. I don't know if I would wear the hat with the boots, or I would wear the hat with this dress, or I would wear the boots with this dress. I don't know if I would wear them combined, but I just kind of wanted to give you guys a little bit of an idea of what you could go with it, or how you could go with it. I could style this so many different ways. I mean, it's a sweater dress. When I saw this, I was like, I have to order this because I feel like this once again embodies the exact replica of the type of fall girl I wish to be. Alright, last one with the boot vibe. I promise I'm almost done, but realistically speaking, I bought both these boots this season so that way I could wear them non-stop, and that is exactly what I'm doing. Here are the black pair that I wear, which I also think is really good because they add another different type of element. I feel like I have a lot of black in my wardrobe just naturally being a hairstylist, so anything that I can incorporate with different pieces to kind of all tie in the fit, love it. This fit I am absolutely obsessed with. I've already worn it like several different times. I actually pair it with like a tall like gray sock too, but they're in the wash because that's how often I've been wearing this fit. I got this from Dick's, but it's actually Free People, so I don't know if they still have it on their site, but if they do, grab it. It's pretty much reversible. I actually think the V cut is supposed to go in the back, but I love to wear it like this because then I can kind of style it with like a sweater vest vibe and then layer it with some like really pretty pieces of jewelry. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. You can even wear it with like tights when it gets really cold out. I just love the versatility of this, and I knew upon buying this that it was going to give me so much. I could even wear this in the summertime, like over top of a bathing suit too, which might actually be what it's intended for originally. You get more bang for your buck when you can wear it all season long. So this is how I pretty much plan on styling it all season. This is the exact fit that I wore like to dinner a few weeks ago, so I honestly will wear this like all the time. Okay, we are on outfits. I don't even know what outfit we are on right now, but definitely a switch up from the last couple vibes. I guess now we're moving into like more like corporate meets Christmas party. At least that's what I had in my head. I'm gonna be honest, the next couple fits are radiating millennial, but turning 30, I feel like I've been kind of struggling with certain fits that I used to wear. I don't feel very mature, I guess, in them. So I guess I was looking for more mature outfits that I could also get my money's worth in wearing to work or wearing to a party or to a dinner or anything like that. I feel like any of my like 30-year-old like girlies or like end of 20 girlies will relate to this, but the older you get, you're not really going to clubs anymore. You're going to clubs, but they're more like fancy. Like, you have money now. We're going to nice things. We're drinking champagne and not White Claws. That's kind of what I had in mind with this fit. I actually literally just wore these pants to work the other day. I just styled with like a black flowy crop. My ideas with these next few fits, like I said, are kind of in that vibe, like where I can wear them to work, but I can also go out somewhere and meet someone out for a dinner afterward. I think we are on outfit number 6. Correct me if I'm wrong, editing Danny, but I'm pretty sure we're on outfit number 6. And I have so much to say about this outfit because there is so many layers to it that are completely out of my comfort zone. I don't know, I just kind of want to talk about it because, as you guys know, in my last several videos, I have been alluding to changing, growing up, dealing with like different lifestyle overall. And I do feel like my wardrobe didn't really reflect how I was feeling inside. Now I think when I do go shopping for clothes, there is like a level to it where I'm trying to gravitate towards how I feel internally now. When I bought this particular look, I had a lot of different things in my mind on what I was going for with this. If I'm going to buy something, I want to know for a fact I can style it 70 different ways. I want to make sure everything that I own I can wear in so many different aspects. However, majority of my time spent is at work, like the average person. I want to be able to look nice, feel mature, but also comfortable. In terms of buying these pants, that's kind of where I was going with that. I feel like overall they are very nice for fall and winter, and I can wear them just very simple, or I can really spice them up. Would I wear this exact outfit together? I don't know. I think I'm just doing it more so to showcase in this particular video. This is a vest, and then this is a frilly little, what are they called? I don't even know the type of material this is, but it's very 90s. It's like scrunch material. I recognize that I did not have any red in my wardrobe, and I feel like overall red is a very mature, very sexy color, and I do want to incorporate more of it, and I think the best time to wear it is this upcoming season. I probably would wear this with sneakers if I were to wear it to work, but I did want to pair it with some heels. And the reason why I paired this with heels is because this whole vibe I feel like would be for like a Christmas party or dinner party or something like that. Way more realistic. This is like way my vibe. I will probably wear this after this video. Honestly, these types of pants are like definitely the vibe that I've been like looking out for too. Like I keep purchasing things that feel like that are kind of around the same kind of concept of this. I really like these for fall specifically because of the plum color. So that's really what I wanted to highlight specific in this particular video was the plum. Obviously you can wear this so many different ways. I could even wear this like black crop and stuff and wear that out to go to the bar and stuff like that and be pretty comfortable with that too. Another thing that I have been really trying to focus on purchasing, like if I'm going to purchase at all, these types of comfy clothes. I feel like realistically speaking on my days off I'm spending it inside, especially in the winter months, the fall/winter months. I actually saw these pants at TJ Maxx and I was like, yep, that's exactly what I was looking for. I also just purchased a pair of Uggs again. So stoked. Definitely look out for Uggs. Uggs is another one that I feel like is, I mean, it's been kind of sad for the last couple of years, but there was a time where I had a lot of Uggs and I remember getting made fun of for it back in the day. Everyone was like, why are you still wearing Uggs? Because they were like so cool and then they were like uncool and then now they're cool again and I'm confused. For once I'm kind of on with the trends, but when the trend dips and dies, just note, I'm not getting rid of these. I'm literally not. I do love this particular pair because they're chunky and I love my chunky shoes because I also love flares. I look for a lot of flares in my fits. Felt like they're just really cute to like layer over top of sweats. This is like a perfect snowed in vibe and I probably would wear it with like a sweatshirt. Or honestly, yeah, this is a like very realistic look for me. I will tie it with a crop top that probably doesn't even match. Just wear a crop, wear my comfy pants. Okay, and last but certainly not least, here is the final fall vibe fit. My personal style is literally all of the Spice Girls combined depending on the day. As of recently, I've been really heavily into my Sporty Spice vibe. Obviously, all the things that I've been picking out are going to reflect that. So this is no different. This is basically a very similar pant to like kind of the plum vibe. I actually purchased them literally in the same trip at Dick's. Obviously it's pretty easy just to do black on black, but realistically speaking this is literally what I would wear. I also kind of wanted something that kind of looks like just kind of came out of a workout class because I do feel like my lifestyle moving forward is going to be that type of aspect where I am probably going to go to the gym at some point in the day and or do some sort of fitness exercise. Mason and I just went on a hike yesterday. These would be good pants to wear during this time of year for a hike as well. Overall, my style has just been changing and I live a very active life. I'm always in the gym, so I'm just trying to make it so that way it's not just like me feeling gross in my gym outfit. I want to be able to wear it out for the day as well. So that's what I'm trying. Yes, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. That concludes all the looks that I have styled out for you guys. If you have any recommendations or anything that you would like to add, please leave that down below. As long as it is relatively nice or as long as it's relatively useful, let's say that. If you leave a relatively useful comment to me, I would much appreciate it. But if you've never left a comment before, I don't even know if you're a subscriber and you want to try to point out some flaws, I will just delete that immediately. I can take constructive criticism pretty well. I do it every day for my job. But let's make sure it's constructive if you're gonna leave a comment. Anyways, I'm just being a hater because I seem nice. So the comment said, you seem nice. Do I seem nice or do I seem like a hater in this video? Let me know because I'm a little salty right now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed filming it for you. Please give it a big fat thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I got lots in the works planned for you. Stay tuned for the next one. Thank you all so much for watching and I will see you guys later. Later, haters. Okay, goodbye.